Okay, so what's up, guys? Welcome all of you in the on the Vedantu Commerce YouTube platform. So how is your life going on? So let me know, guys. And this session is for pipe and systems. This is the topic from applied mathematics. So soon we will start this topic. And this is me, Aditya Arya. If you are over here for the very first time, this is me, Aditya Arya, your master teacher for mathematics subject. And these are some basic details if you are interested about my journey, about my career. So right now I'm teaching mathematics for 11th and 12th standards. So we will start our lecture with the positive thought of the day, or we can say we can start with the positive thought of the night. Push harder than yesterday. So if you want a different tomorrow, अगर आपको if you want to achieve something, I would say you have to push much harder than what you have done yesterday. Okay, तो कल अगर एक सवाल लगाया है तो कम से कम एक तो लगाओ, लेकिन अगर हो सके तो दो लगाना शुरू कर दो. And this is how soon, step by step, you will have 2 question, 3 question, 4 question, and this is how you will master your subject. So basically it's about improvement. अगर आपको improvement चाहिए तो कल से बेहतर करना होगा. We will also talk about the vote examination. What is vote? Vote is Vedantu Online Talent Examination. And it's not just examination, I would say it's a comeback, because this examination is having 2 important factors for comeback in your learning. This will be taken at 4 dates. 4 dates पर होगा ये. 28 March, 20th March that has been passed. 4th of April that has been passed. 11th April that has also been passed now. So guys, there is one more date that is available to you. Last opportunity to all those people who still want to grab this and still want to come back in the learning. And why exactly we are saying and how exactly it will make a comeback? See guys, we need 2 important factors to make a comeback. One is we should know where do we actually stand. What is our position in the subject in our preparation? And second thing is, are we getting rewarded for what we are doing? And since a reward can be anything, okay, it doesn't matter what is the reward, but if we are having the reward, it gives up motivation to do something better than yesterday. Okay, but do not worry about the reward, we will take care of it, and I will share with the people what exactly these rewards are. So first thing is in-depth performance analysis. That means we will share with you, only you, what is your all India rank, what is your state rank. Apart from this, we will be sharing with you subject wise analysis, and we will be also sharing with you question wise analysis, so you can exactly know what is your position at India level, at state level, at subject level, and at also question wise, question level. तो हर तरीके से आप अपनी पोजीशन जान सकते हो. इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें रिवॉर्ड्स की, तो वी आर हैविंग अ पूल of 500 crore scholarship. You can fetch as much you wanted to. Though there is just one date available for you, 18th of April, but still we are having daily challenges. So through daily challenges, you can also fetch these rewards. So daily challenges, daily rewards, and there are 2 special rewards that is attached only to the vote examination, and that is Vedantu CEO for the 1 day and NASA trip. So if you will crack this exam, and do not worry about it, it will be a difficult, no, it will not be difficult. I will share you how exactly you can prepare for it. So guys, you can be the head of this company. In the simple term, you can be the head of this company. You will run it for a day, and I would say this will be a wonderful opportunity, and that you will deliver all the things. You will pass on all the orders. You will get to know, you will learn how exactly a company do run, how exactly all the functions are going on in Vedantu. Yes, and you will literally feel amazed, and definitely you will also have a chance to meet the directors, the founders of this company also. Apart from this, you will be having a trip to NASA. That means you are going to America after clearing this examination. Do not feel that it is too tough. It is just what you are doing. जो आप कर रहे हो वही करते रहो, but थोड़ा और बेहतर तरीके से. Just practice some more. That's how you can win these prizes. So there are three basic rewards. One is the CEO, another one is the NASA wala, and NASA wala reward, and the third thing is exciting prizes. And what these exciting prizes can be: this can be mobile phones, smartwatch, laptops, VR, telescope, microscope, headphones, speakers, ebook reader, earbuds, drones, gaming kit, all these things. Okay, now how exactly you will register for it? So first of all, what I will tell you, we will be sharing a link with you in the description box. Just check out the link. And apart from this, there is a one more thing. There is a application on the Google Play Store. So what you can do, guys, that just search Vedantu on the Google Play Store, and you will download the application, made your account, and then after that you will see an option register and create voter ID or register for vote. Okay, so when you will register, click on register for vote, this screen will open, and this screen will ask you your name, in which standard, which grade you are in, and in which board you are in, and for what examination you are targeting for. Then you will click on get notified on WhatsApp, so that you will have all the important notification regarding the examination and the daily challenges. And then you will click on register. After clicking on the register, you will be having this screen which will share with you a voter ID card where you can add your photo later. So this voter ID card will be used to give all these daily challenges and all the rewards, all the vote examination and all the daily challenges. And there is one more option, share with family and the friends. So that means, guys, you can share it with as many people as you wanted to, your voter ID card. What is the benefit of this? This will create a team, and you all know, when you will work as a team, things will become simpler, question will become much simpler. You can discuss with your friends and then you can answer. Ultimately, you have to answer correctly, that's all. And there is a less chances of doing a mistake. And one more important thing, when you will make a team, you get more points. So I would suggest you share it with as many people as you can. After having the voter ID card, you can pick your vote date. But as of now, these 3 dates has been passed. The only date left is 18th of April. This examination will be held at 3 p.m. and it's completely free of cost. That means no charges will be taken from you. Zero investment, and there is a lot to have. Yes? Okay. And as I have told you, you can have all these by downloading the application from the Google Play Store, or if you're having the iPhone, then you can have it from Apple Store. And you or if you wanted to, you can visit this link. Now, what is the exam format? What is the syllabus? It is exactly same, but I would recommend you, all of you, go with the standard syllabus, standard books that you are reading. It just you have to revise properly. You have to understand each and every concept properly. And the exam format, since you are from the commerce, you will be having the 3 subjects: accounts, business studies, and economics. You will be having 30 questions from each subject, so total 90 questions from in the paper, and 90 questions will be in the 90 minutes you have to answer. You will be having 4 marks for every correct question and 1 marks for every wrong answer. Okay, 1 mark will be deducted for every wrong answer. So we have already discussed with this, form a squad. What is squad? Squad is basically team. So you can make a team by sharing your voter ID card. Okay, and by joining this, you can together solve weekly challenges. You can earn additional V coins if you will solve for, say, if you will solve alone, you will have 100, but if you will solve together, you can have 200, 250, 150, 300, even 500. It depends on the level of the question. and you can and obviously by giving the daily challenges you can earn the prizes also. You can use your logo and you can select your team name, and also you can add your squad slogan, team का नारा क्या होगा ये भी आप isn't it interesting? It's like more like a game. So guys, join the Telegram group if you need more such notification, if you want to have the access to the content, if you want to give quizzes on the group, Telegram group, you can have it. And now before we start the lecture, I want all of you to hit the like button, show your love and share this video to as many people as you can. ज़्यादातर लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए. And you guys will reach it to maximum number of people. And if you want any further notification like which lecture will going to be happen in the next class, do not forget to subscribe this channel, and we will also discuss about the Vedantu enrollment program. So that means you can enroll for the long term. And when we say long term, that means we will give you more time, we will be having the more features, we will be having the more chances of growth that we will discuss by the end of session. So I want all of you maths ninjas to take out your pen paper and get ready with the next concept of the applied mathematics. तो आज हम नया कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ने वाले हैं. टिल नाउ वी हैव रेड अबाउट द पार्टनरशिप, टिल नाउ वी हैव रेड अबाउट द बोथ्स एंड स्ट्रीम्स, एंड टिल नाउ वी हैव रेड अबाउट वन मोर टॉपिक. कौन सा टॉपिक? फर्स्ट टॉपिक भी हुआ था, तो यू गाइस विल चेक आउट इन द लास्ट वीक ऑन मंडे, नो नॉट ऑन मंडे, in the last week we have done on Tuesday, on Thursday and on Saturday. In these 3 days we have done 3 maths topics. ओके, सो फटाफट से हम लोग आज नया टॉपिक शुरू करते हैं. एंड आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू स्टार्ट. सो दिस session is for pipes and cisterns, and together we will make sure guys that this will be a easy topic. So in the 11th you might read about the time and work पढ़ा है. मैं आपको बोलूँगा replace man or woman with pipe, and filling the tank and emptying the tank is the work. That's simple as that. It's just filling the tank is a positive work. Yes or no? आप कुछ कर रहे हो, and taking out the water basically आप काम बिगाड़ रहे हो with respect to the tank. Okay, tank or cistern. Now there will be an inlet pipe which will fill the tank. There will be an outlet pipe or there will be a leak which will take out the water. Now बहुत सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसको मैं यहाँ डिस्कस करूंगा. इफ अ पाइप कैन फिल अ टैंक इन x आवर्स, देन पार्ट फिल्ड इन 1 आवर इज इक्वल्स टू 1/x. समझते हैं? देखो, अगर मैं आपसे एक सिंपल सा सवाल पूछता हूं कि आप 10 घंटे में इफ यू विल ईट let's say 100 burgers, not burgers, it will affect your health. So let's say chapatis, roti, फुलके, हाँ, यही खाते हो ना घर में या कुछ और खाते हो, whatever you are eating. So let's suppose in 10 hours you eat 100 chapatis. Now if I will ask you and you can answer it easily, eating 100 chapatis is more like filling that tank. What is your tank? Your tank is your stomach. Yes? So this is filling, or you can say work. And what is this? This is the time. Okay? Now this is filling, or you can say work, and this is time. This is not sign of equality, it just shows in T time we are doing W amount of work. In 10 hours I am eating 100 chapatis. तो अब मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि बताइए 10 घंटे में 100 chapatis in 1 hour, how many chapati I will eat? तो आप क्या करोगे? 10 घंटे में 100. In every hour if I am eating same amount of the chapati, that means I need to divide 10 both the sides. Divide by 10 both the sides. That means in 1 hour I am eating 10 chapatis. Now what is So this is time, this is work. There is a one more thing called as a rate of work, or we called it as efficiency. What is efficiency? You will note it down. Efficiency is basically, this is amount of work done in 1 hour. ये कितना हुआ? 10 चपातीज पर आवर. अब मैं आपको बोलूं कि दिस इज मी, दिस इज ए फॉर आदित्य. If I eat 10 chapatis in 1 hour and if you eat 20 chapatis in 1 hour, आप ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हो, आप ज़्यादा काम करते हो, आपको टारगेट है, you are having an aim in your life now that you want to crack the examination, so your mother give you more food. खाओ बेटा. हाँ, ऐसा ही होता है. मेरा प्यारा बच्चा बड़ी मेहनत कर रहा है. मेहनत करते हो नहीं करते हो? So, अब लेट सपोज वी आर लिविंग टुगेदर. हम दोनों साथ में रहते हैं, ठीक है. एंड मैं आपके घर में मेहमान हूं और मैं आपको पढ़ाता हूं. आई एम टीचिंग यू एंड यू आर लर्निंग द थिंग्स, यू आर रीडिंग द थिंग, यू आर लर्निंग, स्टडिंग, व्हाटएवर. सो योर मदर, योर फादर इज टेकिंग केयर फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस. सो लेट्स नाउ एंड लेट्स सपोज every hour you are eating 10 chapatis, and every hour I am eating 10 chapatis, every hour you are eating 20 chapatis. Now my question to you is, how many chapatis every hour we are having? तो 1 घंटे में तुम 10 खा रहे हो, 1 घंटे में मैं 20 खा रहा हूं. तो टोटल एफिशिएंसी is that we are having 10 plus 20 is 30 chapatis per hour. देखो ये बेसिक सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसके बाद क्वेश्चन लगाएंगे. अब इसको समराइज करते हैं. What is this? अगर आप स्टेटमेंट को रीड करोगे, a pipe can fill a tank in x hours. We are saying we are having one tank and that tank can be filled in x hours or x minute or x seconds. So in 1 hour we are filling 1 by x part of that tank. मान लेते हैं कि एक टैंक है, लेकिन एक टैंक का 1 by x फिल करते हैं 1 घंटे में. इसी को हम एफिशिएंसी भी बोलते हैं, और इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we will say, this is the amount of work done in 1 unit of that time. Now it can be anything according to the question. It can be the 1 hour, it can be the 1 minute, it can be the 1 second, or it can be another thing. Okay? Generally it is minute or hour. Generally. तो समझ में आया क्या है? तो ये आपका है कि एक यूनिट ऑफ टाइम के अंदर कितना काम किया. तो 1 by x, और ये क्या है 1 by x? दिस इज बेसिकली इक्वल्स टू वर्क अपॉन टाइम. एंड जनरली इन आवर ऑल द क्वेश्चन वी विल बी हैविंग वन वर्क. जैसे कि ईटिंग इज वन वर्क, फिलिंग द टैंक इज ऑल्सो वन वर्क. वी आर नॉट कंसिडरिंग व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द टैंक. हमें सिर्फ इतना पता है टैंक भरना है, ये एक काम है. डिवाइड बाय 1 by t. सो गाइज, आपको सबसे पहले क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? आपको ये एफिशिएंसी निकालनी पड़ेगी. अच्छा, एक छोटा सा और कंफ्यूजन कि मैं 10 घंटे में 100 रोटी खाता हूं और आप 5 घंटे में you eat 100 chapatis in 5 hours. Now my question to you is, if we will together eat 100 chapatis, अगर हम दोनों साथ मिलके खाएंगे तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? तो most of the people I have seen they do add time. तो यहां पर आप लिखेंगे never add time. Never add time for same work. अगर काम ही वही है, मतलब कि मुझे 100 चपाती खानी है 10 घंटे में, आपको 100 चपाती खानी है 5 घंटे में, द वर्क इज सेम, दैट वी बोथ are eating chapati, and now since we are eating together for the same work, we will not add that time. आप सोच कर देखिए, पहले 100 चपातियों को मैं 10 घंटे में खा रहा था, and the 100 chapatis are eaten by you in 5 hours. Now you are eating 500 chapatis in 5 hours, but now I entered in your room and I am helping you. तो अगर बेटा मैंने आपकी हेल्प करी तो क्या होगा? What will happen if I will enter in your room to help you in eating chapatis? We will finish the food much earlier. You will finish the food much earlier than 5 hours. 5 घंटे में नहीं है, 5 घंटे से कम का टाइम लगेगा. But when you will at that time, it's 10 plus 5. This is 15 hours. दो लोग साथ में खाते हैं तो जल्दी खाना खत्म होता है, लेट से नहीं. This is the only concept. Now we will start solving the questions. Okay, so if we are filling the tank, that means we are doing the positive work, so 1 by x. If we are taking out the water, means negative work, so minus 1 by y. लेकिन ध्यान रखना, if I am taking more time, time is more, efficiency is less. ध्यान रखना, मतलब सपोज करो this is a tank, this pipe is filling the tank in 10 hours and this pipe is emptying the tank in 5 hours. मतलब ये जल्दी जल्दी काम कर रहा है बेटा. ये 1 बूंद भरेगा, ये 2 बूंद निकाल देगा. तो क्या होगा? ओवरऑल अगर मैं एफिशिएंसी चेक करूंगा तो 1/5 माइनस 1/10, ये आउटलेट माइनस इनलेट, टोटल आपका क्या होगा? टोटल एफिशिएंसी ऑफ एम्प्टीइंग द टैंक को खाली करने की बात होगी. तो यहां पर मैं एक बात लिख देता हूं, इफ द आउटलेट पाइप, time of outlet pipe is less than time of inlet pipe, then the question will surely will of how much time will it take, how much time for emptying the tank. टैंक को खाली करने में कितना समय लगेगा? ओवरऑल बात कर रहा हूं मैं, ओवरऑल टोटल टाइम ऑफ दिस. अब नाउ ये भी हो सकता है देयर आर 2 इनलेट पाइप. ओके, ये भी हो सकता है. तो हम क्वेश्चन के थ्रू समझेंगे हम क्या बोलना चाहते हैं. ओके, अच्छा, यहां से हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं इफ द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द आउटलेट पाइप, दिस इज मच बेटर, ये हम याद रखेंगे, इज ग्रेटर देन इनलेट पाइप. तो इसका मतलब समझ में आ गया. If the time taken for the outlet pipe is more than time taken by inlet pipe, then we will be call about the filling that tank for sure. Okay, and इसका मतलब क्या है? That efficiency of the outlet pipe will be less. What is the meaning of efficiency? Efficiency means that the water thrown, efficiency means the amount of work. What is the work? Throwing the water. Filling the tank, it can be anything since it's an outlet pipe, so taking out the water in 1 unit of time is less than filling the tank in 1 unit of time. तो मैं ज्यादा पानी भर रहा हूं बजाय निकालने के. So now let's start solving the question. ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन लगाना शुरू करते हैं. Question number 1, pipe A can fill a tank in 30 hours. सबसे पहला काम आपका ये होगा, व्हाट इज द एफिशिएंसी. एफिशिएंसी क्या होगी आपकी? सो पाइप ए की एफिशिएंसी का मतलब क्या है कि ये पूरा टैंक 30 घंटे में भरता है. दैट मीन्स इन 1 आवर इट विल फिल 1/38 ऑफ द टैंक. सो पाइप ए विल फिल 1/38 ऑफ द whole tank in 1 hour. पाइप बी के बारे में बात करते हैं. Pipe B can fill the tank. Fill that tank. When I will fill, then I will apply the plus sign. Pipe B can fill the tank in 45 hours. So 1 by T will give you that it can fill that tank. It can fill 1 by 45 of the tank in 1 hour. ये 1 घंटे में कितना वर्त. अच्छा, अब दोनों they both are filling the tank. So there is no need of reading the question, because ultimately when we both are filling the tank, that means it's all about कि when they will work together. If they will work together, यही question होगा, check कर लेते हैं. If both the pipes are opened in an empty tank, खाली टैंक है, अब दोनों पाइप को एक साथ शुरू कर दिया, how much time will they take to fill it? तो आपका कितना आंसर हो जाएगा? 1 by 30 प्लस 1 by 45. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू, सॉल्व करो. यहां से अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 1 by 15 टेक आउट, 1 by 2 प्लस 1 by 3. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आएगा 1 by 15 इंटू 5 by 6. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1 by 18. व्हाट इज द एफिशिएंसी? एफिशिएंसी का मतलब क्या है? व्हेन बोथ विल वर्क टुगेदर, व्हेन बोथ विल वर्क टुगेदर दे कैन फिल 1 by 18 ऑफ द टैंक पर आवर. कितना काम है? एक काम है, डिवाइड बाय. दिस इज अ टाइम टेकन बाय बोथ ऑफ देम. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टाइम टेकन फॉर टुगेदर ये होता है इक्वल्स टू 1 by एफिशिएंसी. यानी कि आंसर आएगा कितना? 18 आवर. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि ये दोनों पाइप 18 घंटे में टैंक को फुल कर देते, व्हाट इज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर? इज 1 by 18. यस और नो? 1 by 18. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट आंसर. The solution has been added. It just I am explaining you over here. Now question number 2. A cistern can be filled by pipes A and B in 4 hours and 6 hours respectively. When full, the cistern can be, cistern का मतलब टैंक हो गया, cistern can be emptied by pipe C in 8 hours. मतलब क्या है इसका? अब इसका मतलब ये है, there is a pipe A. ये पाइप ए खाली टैंक को, दिस पाइप ए कैन फिल द एम्प्टी टैंक इन 4 hours. व्हाट इज एफिशिएंसी? 1 by 4. पाइप बी कैन फिल द एम्प्टी टैंक इन 6 hours, so efficiency is 1 by 6. बट पाइप सी कैन एम्प्टी द फिल्ड टैंक, यानी कि भरा हुआ टैंक को खाली कर देगा. Pipe C can empty the tank, that means minus sign, in 8 hours. अच्छा, empty करने वाला का टाइम ज्यादा था, तो ये धीमा पाइप है, ज्यादा टाइम लगा रहा है. सो ओवरऑल क्वेश्चन क्या होना चाहिए? कॉमन सेंस लगाओ. ओवरऑल क्वेश्चन मस्ट बी लाइक दिस: इफ all the pipes are turned on at the same time, in how much time the cistern will be filled. यानी कि अगर इन तीनों को साथ में काम पर लगाया, हम दोनों साथ में खाना खा रहे हैं, we both are eating together, they are opened together, efficiency will be added. Efficiency is the amount of work done in same amount of time. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. यहाँ से आप सॉल्व करोगे कितना आएगा? 10 by 24. ठीक है, 24 यहाँ से आ जाएगा और ये आ जाएगा 3. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 7 by 24. अब ये क्या है? एफिशिएंसी ऑफ ABC. क्वेश्चन इज टाइम ऑफ ABC. टाइम ऑफ ABC इज 1 upon this. 1 upon 7 by 24 is 24 by 7 is 3 by 7 hour. समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: a tap can fill a tank in 10 minutes and another can empty the tank in 6 minutes. यानी कि एक भरता है, टाइम ऑफ द फिलिंग पाइप इज 10 minutes. एफिशिएंसी क्या होगी? 1 by 10. टाइम ऑफ द एम्प्टी वाला पाइप, the pipe which is emptying the tank is 6 minutes. टाइम कम ले रहा है, मीन्स इट इज वर्किंग मोर एफिशिएंटली, अच्छे से काम कर रहा है, जल्दी जल्दी काम कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स this one, this is F, that means efficiency of empty pipe is 1/6, and definitely if they will work together, this one is working faster. तो आप टैंक को भर ही नहीं सकते हो. Tank cannot be completely filled if they will work together, start working at the same time. It will not be possible ही नहीं हो पाएगा. So how long will it take before the tank is either filled completely or emptied completely as the cash may? समझ में? अच्छा, ये वाला क्वेश्चन क्या है, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ पर if the tank is already 2/5 full, कितना भरा हुआ है ये? पूरे टैंक का 2/5 फुल है. आप इसको एक काम करो, 2/5 फुल है ना ये, पर मेरे लिए तो एक काम है. यस और नो? मेरे लिए तो एक ही काम है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, हम इसको अभी लिख लेते हैं 2/5 वर्क. अब देखो, if the tank is already 2/5 full, both the taps are open together, will the tank be filled or emptied? Obviously this empty wala pipe is working much faster because it is taking less time. So faster, taking less time means faster, that means it will empty the tank, the rate of emptying the tank is much faster, तो आपका टैंक पूरा खाली हो जाएगा. Next thing is, how long will it take before the tank is either filled completely or emptied completely? कितना टाइम लगेगा कि पूरा का पूरा टैंक या तो पूरा भर जाए या का पूरा खाली हो जाए? क्या होगा? पूरा का पूरा खाली हो जाएगा. सो आप क्या करोगे? सबसे पहले आप निकालोगी 1 मिनट में कितना काम कर रहे हैं. 1/6 minus 1/10. We are having one work. What is the one work? Filling the complete tank 1/6. Emptied the complete tank. Okay, sorry. 1/6. अब देखिए यहाँ पर, अब यहाँ पर आपकी कैलकुलेशन अलग है, ठीक है, लेकिन अब आप मुझे बताइए, we are saying the filling efficiency is 1/10 and emptying efficiency is minus 1/6. तो आपने क्या बोला? ओवरऑल एफिशिएंसी इज 1/10 minus 1/6. When you will solve this will come as minus 1/15. अब ये नेगेटिव साइन है ना, तो मैंने क्या बोला? लेट्स मेक इट पॉजिटिव एंड से दिस इज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ कंप्लीटली एम्प्टिंग द पाइप टुगेदर. ये खाली करने की एफिशिएंसी है, यानी कि द होल टैंक एफिशिएंसी इज 1/15. But the amount of work that needs to be done is 2/5 because the tank is 2/5 fill. Then if it will work with 1/15 efficiency and will empty the 2/5 of the tank in T time. Cross multiply, and when you will cross multiply you will be having what? ये कितना हो जाएगा आपका? 2/5 into 15, ये आपका हो जाएगा 6 minutes, 6 मिनट. तो दोनों अगर साथ में काम करते हैं, अब आप कंफ्यूज मत होना कि सर दिस इज emptying the tank in 6 minutes, this is getting 2/5 of the tank getting emptied in 6 minutes. This is completely filled the tank emptied in 6 minutes. Here this one is working alone. Here there are two pipes that are working together. आई बात समझ में? Now next question. An electrical pump can fill a tank in 3 hours. Because of a leak in the tank, it took 3.5 hours to fill the tank. I repeat the question. Electrical pump can fill a tank in 3 hours. So filling the efficiency is 1/3. But because of a leak in that tank, it took 3.5 hours to fill the tank. Now leak should empty the tank, but it says because of the leak, it is taking more time to fill the tank. That means this time is for, let's say, A is filling and B is emptying the tank. So what is given? If they will work together, because of the leak will empty the tank, but because of the leak, the tank is getting completely filled in 3 1/2 or 7/2 hours. But if motor will work, it can fill the tank in 3 hours, but because of the leak it is taking half hour extra. अब क्या करें? Inverse of the time is efficiency. So efficiency of A plus B is efficiency of A plus efficiency of B. 2/7 should be equals to 1/3. Now efficiency of B is minus 1 by time of B because B is emptying the tank. Okay, so यहाँ से आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे. 1 by time of B is 1/3 minus 2/7. Cross multiply. This is equals to 1/21. So time taken by B is 21 hours. 21 घंटे में ही खाली कर सकता है. टाइम टेकन बाय बी टू कंप्लीटली, टाइम टेकन बाय लीक टू कंप्लीटली एम्प्टिंग द टैंक इज 21 आवर्स. अब ये क्वेश्चन आप लोग भी लगाओगे साथ में. ओके, इन 1 minute 3/7 ऑफ द बकेट इज फिल्ड. देखिए ध्यान से इस क्वेश्चन को समझो. व्हाट इज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द फिलिंग? What is the amount of work? It's 3/7. 3/7 of the bucket can be filled in 1 minute. That means the efficiency is 3/7. So the time taken to completely fill the tank is 1 upon efficiency is equals to 7/3 minute. Now read the next part. The rest of the bucket can be filled in. अब देखिए पूरा टैंक भरने में 7/3 मिनट लग रहा है. क्वेश्चन इज इफ 1 minute 3/7, तो आपसे पूछा है बचा हुआ क्या है 4/7. इसको भरने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? अब हमने ये नहीं निकाला, हमने बोला दैट कंप्लीटली फिल्ड इन 7/3. दिस पार्ट इज फिल्ड इन 1 minute, सो रिमेनिंग टाइम इज 7/3 minus 1 इज, निकालो, 4/3 मिनट. तो बचा हुआ जो टैंक है उसको हम कितने देर में फिल कर सकते हैं? 4/3 मिनट के अंदर भर सकते हैं. आई रिपीट, द कंप्लीट टैंक, the tank can be completely filled in 7/3 minute. This part is filled in 1 minute, so the remaining part will be filled in the remaining time. That is 7/3 minus 1 is 4/3. Next question. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. So pipe A can fill a tank in 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. And pipe B in 30 minutes. So inverse of the time is efficiency, inverse of the efficiency is time. या मान के चलिए. If both pipes are used together, how long will it take to fill the tank? Repeat question. And this is for you people. ठीक है, तो ये आप लोग लगाने वाले थे. ठीक है, टाइम लीजिए थोड़ा सा. Efficiency of A is given, efficiency of B is given. If they will both work together, तो क्या होगा? If they will, I want all of you to give me the answer in the chat box. फटाफट से आंसर लिखेंगे चैट बॉक्स के अंदर. 1/20 plus 1/30 is equals to कितना आएगा? ये टेक 1/10 कॉमन. 1/2 plus 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1/10 is equals to 5/6 is equals to 1/12. Efficiency of AB is 1/12. So time taken by A and B together will be कितना होगा? 12 minutes. Inverse of the efficiency. Simple question. अगला सवाल. Two pipes A and B can separately fill a cistern in 60 minutes and 75 minutes respectively. There is a third pipe in the bottom of the cistern to empty it if all the three pipes are simultaneously open. पहले read करते हैं 60 minute 75 minute. Okay, and there is a leak. If all the three pipes, मतलब leak का time नहीं दिया है. If all the three pipes are worked simultaneously, opened simultaneously, then cistern is filled in 50 minutes. Overall, if these three will work, overall time is given is 50 minutes. In how much time third pipe alone can empty the cistern? Leak की efficiency, leak का time पूछा गया है आप लोगों से. So if first pipe will work, it is complete filled the tank in 60 minutes, so efficiency is 1 by 60. Pipe B in 1 by 75 efficiency, and pipe C is the leak pipe, so let's say minus 1 upon T of the time of the C, time taken by C to completely empty the tank. Now what is given? That if they will work together, the tank will be completely filled, means positive sign, in 50 minutes. This is equals to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 75 plus minus 1 upon T. अब क्या करोगे? अब इसको इधर ले आओ, इसको इधर ले आओ. 1 upon TC will be equals to 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 75 minus 1 upon 50. इसको आप सॉल्व करो. पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ओके, तो एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ से हमने 1 by 15 कॉमन लिया, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. This will be 9 by 20, so 9 by 300 minus 1 by 50. इसको मैं 6 by 300 भी लिख सकता हूँ. 1 by 50 means 6 by 300, just to make denominator same. This is 3 by 300 is equals to 1 by 100. That means this is the efficiency. Inverse of the efficiency is time. So answer will be 100 minutes. Okay, now next question. Three pipes A, B, C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30, 20 and 10. There are three pipes, pipe A, pipe B and pipe C. Pipe A 30, pipe B 20, pipe C 10 minutes. सिर्फ वैल्यूज को अपन देखते हैं 30, 20 and 10. ठीक है? When the tank is empty, all the three pipes are opened and A, B, C discharge chemical solutions P, Q, R respectively. मतलब बात ऐसा है कि all these three pipes are filling the tank with different material. मतलब P का मतलब मान लीजिए milk, Q का मतलब मान लीजिए water and R का मतलब मान लीजिए oil. So three pipes are giving three components. They are having a different rate, and if they are having the different rate, that means they will discharge a different amount. ठीक है? अब amount कितना है ये हमें पता लगा. What is the proportion of the solution R in the liquid after tank? मतलब after 3 minutes. मतलब ये बोलना चाह रहा है कि अब amount क्या है? Amount is the work. Yes. So अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि after 3 minutes ये कितना amount देगा? What is the meaning of efficiency? In 1 minute it is discharging 1 by 30th. In 1 minute this is discharging 1 by 20th. And in 1 minute this is discharging 1 by 10. So in 3 minutes 3 by 30, 3 by 20 and 3 by 10. Now question is, what is the amount of R? R is discharging by C. तो ये बोल रहा है work done by C divide by total work done. Work done means total discharge by C divide by total discharge. So 3 by 30 प्लस 3/20 प्लस 3/10। करो इसको, कितना आएगा, इसको सम करना है ना, तो ये आपका समेशन आएगा 3/10 डिवाइड बाय व्हाट वी कैन डू, लेट्स टेक 3/10 कॉमन। 3/10 कॉमन लोगे तो आपका आएगा ये 1/3 प्लस 1/2 प्लस 1, ये आपका होगा 5/6 प्लस 1 11/6। तो अगर आप इसको सॉल्यूशन लिखते हो 3/10 अपॉन 3/10, ये कितना हो गया 11/6, ये कैंसिल हो गया, आंसर 6/11 विल बी द आंसर। सो आंसर विल बी 6/11, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ओके गाइस, अच्छा अब इसके बाद अगला पार्ट ये हमने सॉल्व कर लिया। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, two pipes A and B can fill a tank cistern 4 hours had they been opened separately। दोनों करते हैं तो 4 घंटे में। अगर if they have opened separately, B would have taken 6 hours more than A। I repeat the statement, if they will work separately, B would have taken 6 hours. B would have taken 6 hours more than time taken by B, A, to completely fill that tank. Time taken by B, if they will work separately, time taken by B will be 6 hours more than the time taken by A। स्टेटमेंट समझ में आया? अच्छा, इफ दे आर बोथ वर्किंग टुगेदर द टाइम टेकन बाय देम इज 4 hours। नाउ लेट्स सपोज टाइम टेकन बाय ए, इसको हम x ले लेते हैं और इसको एक काम t लेते हैं। नाउ व्हाट इज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ दे विल वर्क टुगेदर? एफिशिएंसी इज ऑफ AB इज 1/4। दिस हैज टू बी टाइम टेक एफिशिएंसी ऑफ A प्लस एफिशिएंसी ऑफ B। 1/4 equals to efficiency of A, let's call it 1/x, इसको हमने x मान लिया, इसको x मान लिया, easy रहेगा। And then this will be TA plus 6 from here, means x plus 6। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, कैलकुलेट करो, this will be 1/4 equals to x plus 6 plus x upon x into x plus 6। okay, तो यहां से जब आप सॉल्व करोगे यू विल गोइंग टू हैव अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। देखो इस तरह की इक्वेशन बनती है, तो x प्लस 6 प्लस एक्स अपॉन एक्स इंटू एक्स प्लस 6 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद यहां से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, ये आपका क्या है 2x प्लस 6 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 8x प्लस 24। मैं आपको सॉल्व करके दिखा देता हूं, क्या बना था आपका x प्लस 6 प्लस एक्स अपॉन एक्स इंटू एक्स प्लस 6 is equals to 1/4. Cross multiply, x plus x 2x into 4 8x, 6 into 4 24, x into x x square plus 6x, bring all this on the side, x square minus 2x plus 24 is equals to 0। इस सबको आप सॉल्व करोगे you can write it down as x minus 6 into x plus 4, or you can use basic Sridharacharya method to finding the roots of the quadratic equation, which says from here A is equals to 1, B equals to coefficient of x minus 2, C equals to constant term, and the roots of the equation is minus B, minus of minus 2 is 2 plus minus under root B square, B square minus 4AC, या सॉरी आपका ये माइनस 24 है। यहाँ पर भी हमने करेक्शन करना है। अब मुझे मालूम कैसे चला बेटा, क्योंकि श्रीधराचार्य में मालूम चल जाता है, अपनी गलतियां पकड़ में आ जाती है। श्रीधराचार्य में मालूम चल जाता है कि रूट्स रियल हैं या नेगेटिव हैं, इसलिए बड़ा काम का मेथड है। सो ये क्या है -24, बी स्क्वायर -4ac, सी कितना है -24 डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू ए इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस 4 माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस 4 × 24 96 डिवाइड बाई 2, ये आपका बन जाएगा 2 + -10/2, 2 + 10 12/2 6, x = 6, 2 - 10 -8/2 -4। आगे रूट्स, अच्छा यहां से भी आ सकते हैं। x - 6 = 0, x = 6, x + 4 = 0, x = -4। So you will be having you will be having an equation, quadratic equation, you will be having two roots, लेकिन x is the time, so time is not possible, negative time is not possible. So answer is time taken by A if it will work alone is 6 hours. Now bucket P has thrice the capacity as bucket Q. It takes 60 turns for bucket P to fill the empty drum. इसका मतलब क्या है? To fill the empty drum, there is a drum, we need to fill it. Okay, now let's suppose, and there's a bucket P. What is given? Bucket P has thrice the capacity as the bucket Q. Bucket Q की कैपेसिटी क्या है? सर bucket Q मान लेते हैं इसको, bucket Q की कैपेसिटी है x, but bucket P is having thrice the capacity as bucket Q was having. Now it takes 60 turns for bucket P. It takes 60 turns for bucket P to fill the empty drum. इसका मतलब क्या है? Volume of the drum. What is x? X is the volume of the bucket of Q. 3x is the volume of the bucket P. So यहाँ से क्या आएगा? If it takes 60 turns, in one turn it is delivering, it is pouring in 3x volume. So in 60 turns, 60 × 3x is 180x is the volume. समझ में आया? अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. How many turns will it take for both the buckets P and Q having each turn together? यानी कि if they will work together means if I need to pour them together, and together I am how much I am giving, कितना दे रहा हूं मैं? अगर मैं दोनों को एक साथ डालूंगा तो 3x यहां से जाएगा, x यहां से जाएगा, कितना जाएगा? 3x यहां से जाएगा, 4x जाएगा. So this volume this drum should be completely filled if I will give 4x in how many terms? n terms. So 180x is equals to n times of the 4x. 4x कहाँ से आया? x from here and sorry 3x from here and x from here. So यहाँ से आपका आ जाएगा n is equals to 180/4 is equals to 45 turns. कितना टर्न आएगा? 45 turns आपको लगेंगे अगर आप साथ मिलकर काम करते हो. So this is all guys. I hope this topic is completely clear, crystal clear to all of you. And if anybody feels that sir I am having doubt, or you can come up with your question. अगर आप अपने doubt, जैसे कि मैंने partnership में question दिया था and only one person Tanishka has answered. So I will definitely reply on that part. ठीक है, तो अगले सेशन के अंदर और whenever we will be having an extra, when we will be having chunk of the question, तो we will take an extra class जहां पर मैं सारे की सारे आपके डाउट क्लियर करूंगा. So guys, now it's your responsibility to come up with your doubts. You can raise your question. आप बुक्स लगाइए, मैंने आपको बुक्स बता दिया है. मैं आपको फिर से बता देता हूँ. यू कैन पिक RS अग्रवाल अगर आप चाहते हो तो, RD शर्मा भी आप अगर लगाना चाहो तो. अच्छा, कौन सी किताब लगाएं? क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. और यू कैन पिक एनी बुक, इट डजंट मैटर, कोई सी भी किताब लगाइए, डजंट मैटर. Okay, so this is all guys, and before you leave I want to notify all of you that we are having a enrollment program जहां पर we will be having the live learning, but this live learning will be completely different from the YouTube learning at many terms because we are having a different platform. When we say live learning, we say it's online and offline mode together. That means like on a YouTube it's an online, not an offline mode. Why? Because online mode gives you a feature, a facility that you can learn anywhere, any time, place and time के respect में आपको freedom देता है. But offline classes also give you the interaction wala part. You will have more learning. And we have introduced, since a long time we are having this feature, and there we can interact together. It will not be just one side interaction, it will be both side interaction. You guys can also speak, you guys can also raise your question, and you guys can also show me your notebooks that, sir, this is I have done, let's rectify where I've committed my mistake. Kind of these things, these kind of interaction can be taken place inside the classroom, and this can only happen on the Vedantu platform. ये आपके YouTube पर पॉसिबल नहीं। अब इसके बाद और क्या चीज है? इसके बाद we will be having more allotted hours of the learning. Okay, more allotted hours. यानी कि मैं आपको बोलूंगा, if we will come 1 hour daily, it will be around 300 hours approximately in a whole year. But we are allotting 2000 hours in the whole subscription plan. अगर आप पूरा प्लान लेते हो 1 year का 2000 लाइव लर्निंग प्लान, जहां पर आपके पास लेक्चर्स होंगे, ओके, मेन फुल टर्म लेक्चर होंगे, एंड देयर वी विल हैव द रिवीजन लेक्चर. सो इफ इन केस you will miss the lecture or you want to revise the lecture, we are having a separate plan for this and a special series for you also. So before examination we will be having a special course that we will run in the same subscription, so that you can get the nitro boost in your preparation. Apart from this, you guys should need the structure, not content. You need the structured content. When I say structured, that means your content should be focused based on your examination. Exam के ऊपर focus होना चाहिए. Apart from this, you must review your progress. How you will review? Through examination. अच्छा, कौन कौन से एग्जाम की बात कर रहे हैं? You will be having the weekly tests, you will be having the quizzes, you will be having the practice papers to solve, you will be having the assignments and many more. And you will be having so many tools on the platform which will give you indication how much improvement do you need. Quantitative tool to measure your improvement. Apart from this, you will be having choice of the teachers. You can choose from the list of 10 plus teachers. So when I say 10 plus, it can goes up to 20, 25. It can go to anywhere. And all of them are very good experience, 5 plus years of the teaching experience. Apart from this, you can choose your faculty, you can switch your batches, you can switch your faculty according to your need, according to your learning requirement. The mode of the learning will be in the English, and we will be having the 4 subjects: account, maths, economics and the business studies. You can have this plan in 3510 after discount of 1 month, or if you want to go with the yearly plan, yearly it's 41553. I repeat, 1 month plan is 3500 approximately, and 12 month plan is 41,000 approximately. तो मैं 2 ही प्लान प्रेफर करता हूँ. Either go with the 1 month to experiment whether this Vedantu platform is up to your standards or beyond your standards, and this is my bet, guys. You all will fall in love. एक बार आप जाओगे, आपको जब समझ में आएगा, समझने के अलावा when you will feel that all that people over here are committing to your success. हर एक पर्सन आपके साथ में खड़ा होगा. आपको डाउट आएगा, आपको कोई और प्रॉब्लम आएगी, इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन होगा, any kind of thing, everything will be taken care over here. And if you want a discount, you can use the code ADAPRO. 10% off will be given to you. ADAPRO. Link is in the description box. Link for what? Link for vote examination. Link for enrollment program. Share to you people. And before you leave, guys, join the Telegram group, and I want all of you to show your love. Hit the like button, share button and subscribe for yourself. Share to your friend, to your batchmates, to your classmates, and show and press the like button for me. This is all, guys. Good night, take care, see you all in the next class.